Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. BNB has actually only moved sideways since my last video. We had here this descending wedge on the chart that did break out to the upside. The move to the upside was a bit stronger as I thought in the previous video, but in the end, you have already outlined here the wave count that is heading lower, and I think we are currently in a wave 2. That is my primary expectation, that we are heading lower here. Yeah, we talked about that in previous videos, absolutely. And we've already reached my target area here on the 7th of September anyway. So this is currently so far all going to plan. At least there is currently no impulsive wave structure here to the upside. We could count this as an impulse. Yeah, this move here that started on the 7th of September all the way to the 12th of September, we could count this as an impulse. The problem again that I have with that is if we draw the fibs from the low, I mean, yeah, we did hold the 78.6% fib level, but we already came below it briefly. It's not high confidence. Yeah, I'm not super excited about this move up. It doesn't, because in the end we still made a lower low. That's what we did, right? So for me at the moment, this is again not high confidence. I'd rather be looking here at something to the downside. So yeah, I mean, this cannot, well, where are we here generally? We can expect lower prices here. That is my view. I think what we could do is rearrange it in that way, and then it looks like that this here was a diagonal, this wave here, a diagonal first wave in a wave C, because overall from the high here, we talked about this being an A, B, C correction, and in the wave C you have 5 waves, so it could very well be this was a wave 1, this here the wave 2, and we're now heading down in a wave 3. So we don't have 5 waves down yet really. As long as we stay above 259, this is not confirmed. But if we go below 259, I think then we're heading down here in a wave 3. At least that is then confirmed. And we can also look at a target for the wave 3. Would be, first target would be $253. Second target $223. Both possible. Yeah, it's just what it is. I mean, what we need to understand is below the previous swing low. If we drop below 259 or 260, then we can rush down quite quickly. Yeah, this is a level that did hold now, but again, it's an important support level. It's a fib level, and if we lose this, then it's going downhill. And I think this would then be a wave 3 to the downside, then a wave 4 up and a wave 5 down. As long as it stays above $205, I would not necessarily expect lower lows. Yeah, below 180. But if we go below 205, it's probably going to go below that. And then all of this was just corrective, and we're coming down in a larger impulse. So this is sort of the bearish count. When would the bearish count be invalidated? Well, if we go, but not strictly invalidated, but let's say above $307, I think we can flip bullish again. Now, then this downside scenario is just getting quite unlikely. There is also a bullish count as always. Yeah. In the bullish count, we can count this as it did here as a wave 1. So there is no, I mean, this, to be honest, this is a bullish count. It just is a stronger retracement. In the other count, we could expect that the wave 2 was already finished. So I'm not going to change the chart because actually I think we're going to go lower. But if we say, all right, there is a potential the low could have been in here, absolutely, yeah, because we could count this as, show you that as well, here. From the high, yeah, it's absolutely valid to count this as an A, this as a B, and then this as a C. Okay, this is possible. The wave C itself would have been then a 5-wave move. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also as a diagonal pattern, okay? And then you have your ABC. But it's looking to me like that we are getting a large ABC. Therefore, I'd rather be focused to the downside and happy to be surprised. But the first minimum it would need to do is to break above 300 and then ideally above 307. So yeah, and that is how I see it at the moment. If we want this to be rather bullish and say, okay, the wave 2 was already in, then we really need to see a move up now. Yeah, it literally cannot go any lower. If it goes any lower than this, yeah, then the 78.6% fib level, then it's just very unreliable that this is still something where we have seen the low already. So again, the 78.6% fib level is at $268. And that is my view about BNB. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.